All right, let's get started. 首先 review so yes, wave 5 is done. Wave 5 is done on weekly. So 5330 is the target. So we successfully finished this one round. I don't know, it's just me or you guys too. I feel like each round is getting so much faster. Used to be like a few months, now like a few days, a few weeks, like, could move like a couple thousand points on Q. It's insanity. But anyway, so we were kind of expecting to drop, but it's dropping a little deeper than we like to. So we were watching this area, but this area didn't even stand a chance. And I got slapped my hand a couple times for going long too early, but then I just realized now, because I always put it like one part of the indicator, wave indicator on, but now actually the two other parts, if you follow this and the wave, it will be even more accurate. I don't know why I didn't even think about it. I just realized now. So for tomorrow, this level here, 5814, if you look at naked chart, it will be wherever this is. Should be the first level of resistance, but I don't think with good PC number tomorrow morning at 7:30, I think we could get this over easily. So if it retests the high, then we're looking for opportunities to short. And so if you look at the 4 days, 1, 2, 3, 4, this whole week price action, right? The look at here, basically here the POC, like this green line, sorry. The 4 days price action is above this line. So if we close below this, meaning much lower is coming. What lower is coming would be hourly or daily, the trend line breakout area, this area. So at least to 5,700, ideally go to the 5660. Why is 5660? Because there is a big volume gap below that. So let's look at hourly again here. So hourly time frame. See this green line is a 4 days price action. Below that, there's not much support at all. It's a big gap. So the first minor support would be 57.24. A little bit stronger, not much, but 57.05, 5,700. But the strong support is where the value area high is, 56.60. So my personal account is literally almost pure cash now. So a lot of our long-term portfolio ticker is already hit like a target. And I still have some the mega ticker, but they're not the leader currently, so not huge position. So if you come down below here somewhere in October, we'll go long. But before that, if tomorrow hit the high 58.30, we'll look for reversal to short. So that's yes. Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I know some of you have coin from the high. So today the high actually hit what was today? See this monthly candle, you can't ask for more bullish candle, right? Like literally hammer, the definition of hammer is the tail is 2 times of the body. But this tail is like almost 10 times of the body, right? So daily hit 182, which is pretty good. I don't know whether you guys added cost average down or something, but if you did add at the bottom, you should at least break even or green. So now you look at the monthly chart. Daily just come to the first like strong resistance, weekly too. So I need to get above this level to reach 194. Let's look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin monthly candle is super, super, super bullish. Look at this monthly candle. So the monthly high, it hit it, but didn't break out. Let me see. How many? Actually broke out. That actually already broke out, meaning next level is going to be 70,000. Just be patient. We'll get there. A macro strategy much stronger than Bitcoin and coin. So if you did a macro strategy, your account is up huge, like 60%, something like that. But we did BITX. It's not bad, right? We have more than what 40% gain. I'm pretty happy with that. I can't complain more. So dollar accumulating. I do think dollar is gonna go back up here. Today I did a small shorting on gold. Shorting gold is kind of scary. I can't do micro. I don't know why. So I have to do full contract, and you have to watch it kind of. So I want the dollar to go back up, gold come back down. No, I want. So TNX hit the 38. I think it's gonna come back down some, I hope. And so my PMF can continue to go up. It looked like it want to come back down, roll over to me. So TMF is okay. You could have added some TLT. TMF daily kind of looks good. So I added some TMF today. This today or yesterday? Days just fly by. I don't know. So we said if the GDP expanding, the material and industrial will catch up. And boy, I was right. Look at the material. So FCX today went up another 7.6%, ADP, PPG. I'm looking at the PPG and I was thinking it's so high already, so I'm not touching it. Oh man, it's huge green candle. We should have done this, not looking back. I went through all the chart. I mean, looking back, this is perfect enter opportunity. But we can't win it all. We had a great week. You guys agree? We had an excellent week, I think. So that and then in industrial, Caterpillar, look, Caterpillar reached our target 390. From here we entered to here. That's 30%, guys. 30% in what, 20 days? Not even 20 days. So I'm thinking I am exhausted and my shoulder hurts, the shoulder holding mouse, and then my butt hurts from sitting too much. I'm thinking we should really just do the focus on trade like this. This is so juicy and so stressless, right? We do 3 rounds a year and that's it. So I'm thinking less and less I'm going to share live trades like day trading. I will give watch list, but I probably will, I don't want to sit here watching market all the time. So you guys agree? Okay, if you agree, type 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. If you disagree, type 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So let's go through 2, 2, 3. What 2, 3 mean? 2. Okay. So let's review our watch list. So I will go from the best and to the worst, whatever. So here, let's look at 30 minutes, like this from our weekend watch list, right? 23rd. So we said, okay, let's go watching the 1288 gap fill, and it's come here and up 18.5%. I got in from here. It consolidated a couple days, but if you get in today, I don't know. Today market open was already up a lot, right? No. Actually, I opened perfect entry. Yeah, and then um, this ticker, was also, it wasn't on the weekend watch list. I think I gave maybe in the middle of the week. 38%, guys, 38%. I was telling you guys to put a limit order at 1060, but then I realized 1060 may be a little too low. So I put on a little higher this top of this. So my return is not exactly 38, but near 30, 35%. Pretty good, right? Yin. Thanks to the person who brought the sticker to my attention. 21.8% one day. So I shared this after he asked me the levels and put in swing channel. And then I just put on the call. Oh my gosh, I wish I did 100 contracts. This is beautiful. TCOM, right? This was a given on weekend, 23rd, 49 to 50 some. Like this is ridiculous, right? PDD earning. We got in at this somewhere here. I didn't get in the exact low. I think I got in somewhere here. Maybe I got, no, actually wrong. I bought some here before earning 130, and then I loaded more. So my average is about 105, something like that. Look at this. Within what? Not far, less than a month, more than 25%. And I use my own calculation, like not from the bottom. I use my average cost, which is not the absolute bottom. This kind of trade I want to do, and this is usually how I did it before. But because a lot of people came to this group from losing a lot of money following others, so I try to do a lot of trading to try to help you to catch up faster. But meanwhile, it's really exhausting. To a degree, I don't even enjoy analyzing the market anymore. It used to be like a game to me. I love watching the price action. I love finding opportunities, but because it's too much, I'm sitting here more than 10, 12 hours a day. My body is complaining. So I need to go back to the more relaxed style. That's why I was asking. SYM, this was also from weekend. It was 7%. I put on call yesterday, 7%, 7.8%. Pretty nice, right? And so the hourly ticker, hourly time frame. So this the target is supposed to be 717. It went to 725. That's ridiculous. I mean, if you do weekly call, think of how much money you made. $30 in a week. That's huge. Um, Meta, Meta from Meta 558, $20. Not as juicy, but it's a cheaper ticker, right? Compared to 800. Tesla, beautiful. Like from the very beginning, I insist that it's bullish because low, higher, low, high, higher, high. Look where it is, right? I mean, it take a year to come back to 60, but it came back. So now, whether it's going to break out or not, I don't have any position left. I acted all calls and shares, nothing flat. It can go to the moon. I couldn't care less. So we did that what from here to that's $30 move, right? Almost 20 some dollars move. If you did a weekly call, even if you just bought shares, that's $2,000, 100 share, right? Nvidia, when everybody says it's gonna go to $60, no, it's not gonna go to $60. Beautiful, right? So we said on 30 minutes time frame is going to be what? It hit 122, I think it was my target. And it went to 127. So if you did call this like weekly call, $10 move, it's really, if you want to make a quick money, that's how you make quick money. You do option like really focused, 100 contract of this, and then just watch it. I have seen plenty people doing it. I don't have the stomach to do 100 contracts. So I guess I can never become rich, super rich fast. PayPal. PayPal is one of our tickers. It's not too bad. It's not huge move, like $4 or $5. It's okay. But this ticker also went to our target and now dropping. We should look for long entry for this out ticker. Maybe I will review for the weekend. ARM 142. I set a target is 152. 152 to the dot. So if you did the weekly option call or just shares, I've been bullish on this ticker since here, right? So beautiful. Another SMCI. SMCI hit our target at 480 something, but it took a dive. I was really contemplating to see whether I want to buy a put, and before I see it, it was like already took a dive. But we went long here, and not a huge profit, but same day $20 move is quite good. And so some of our long-term portfolio ticker. So daily, let's put on our moving averages up. Oh, let me see whether this 13 input. Okay, 1330. So weekly, see what's happening, guys. MACD here. Yesterday I did I share 150 call? Let me see. I think I may have for solar FSLR 150 call. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. I thought I did. Maybe I didn't. So at the time here was 240. So 250 call, that's really good profit. Payson, LRCX. So this ticker is one of my tickers, but it's still inside, right? Still not breaking out. But from 714 to 860 is pretty good. I would consider, but it's still inside. But daily is uptrend. Daily is still downtrending. You need to take this out. CAT, we said it, CAT already, right? So this is our one of long-term CRM, 240 to 270. That's like what, 15%? Not bad, right? AMD, this is one of my largest holdings. Daily trend changed. So now it come back down to 150 area. And if you don't have anything, you could go. Not at this resistance, but on weekly time frame, my target for this 250 some AMD. AMD, hey, Grace, we set AMD weekly target at 250 some long ago. See that? Mark this on your chart and write it down, weekly target. Like that's how I do it. You can't be lazy on this. Okay, so Now daily trend changed. So if market has a pullback, semiconductors are beaten down really, really bad. So now it's time to catch up. If you look at SOXX daily, this like a higher high, right? Higher high, have a small breakout. So I don't trust this wave structure. So low, higher, low, high, higher, high. Doesn't matter how you draw it. So if you come back down somewhere near 230 or 227, all this like snow earning, you guys keep complaining about snow. Snow earning is gonna blow out the water. It's not that far from our entry. Um, SMH. SMH a little more bullish than SOXX. So from here to here, that's like $100, guys. $100. That's 50%. So that's kind of trade I want to do, not just so much labor doing day trading. I mean, day trading is kind of fun. You digest price action, make a little bit of money every day. But big money is really made from big swing trades, and it's so much less stress, less labor intensive. So all the stickers already built in, whatever the economic situation, because price action already in there, right? So anyway, um, then it didn't really move much. So continue holding. SAIA, it moved some 425 to 435, and then this should be continue holding. The target is pretty high. Just and Domino Pizza, it went up from what 2020 here to here. $10, not super impressive. I took profit on this. I don't have position. This entry never triggered. We were waiting for, I hope we're getting it. We're waiting for 60. So I'm still having the limit order here. FedEx, FedEx gave me good profit this week. Call and so $15 move. ANF, and just keep holding it. And I see a lot of money flowing into IBB. So this ticker hasn't moved yet, but it's consolidating on the bottoming process. This one didn't move a little, and now it's gonna move. So $82 just not bad for this ticker. Continue holding. HII daily almost breaking out. Target quite good. MCK up a little, but it's still one wave, two wave, three, usually three, and then here really good support. So this holding is gonna be some 680 some ticker, pretty good, right? Qualcomm, Qualcomm, yeah, this ticker also have very good. Where were you? Ericsson? Ericsson. But this chart you've seen 20 million times, right? 20 times at least. So Qualcomm earning is going to be really blew out the water too. I'm thinking all the semiconductor earnings going to be popping. So SOXL holding tight. I sold some. I have really large position. Good. I might add some too. I don't have enough. I may add to it. I think snow, I'm curious on snow. I think snow earnings gonna pop big. So every time it's earning popping, where is it? I don't know why I put snow in semiconductor and I can't find it here. It's just spacing, consolidating. I'm going to check out what the ownership, who the ownership are insider, who holds the most. VST, I just checked it today. Daily reversal down. If you come back down to the breakout area, see this the ticker also get wrongly killed. Every chip company need this to cool their chips, right? And we were being cheap. We're like always trying to send a little bit lower, but we missed this by a lot, and I really regret just run too much. Like it came back down here, and I was thinking like, okay, we're gonna get in 60 or 70. I forgot in the swing channel, and we can't chase it fast enough. So next time when this come back down, we really need to be aggressive. VRT is pretty good too. Look at this. It also running like a maniac. Every ticker is running so high. My gosh, can't even, I don't know what to buy. Like it's just too expensive, everything. So I took all the entire position off. I just don't want to watch a little bit left anymore. So if you still having it, it's fine. It's gonna go there. But for this little, it's just not worth it. Chewy hasn't moved yet since we gave. It's still gonna go 43. 43, that's what? 50%, right? Yeah. For ESTC actually came back up. But so your first resistance will be 84. 84, and then if get above 84, really, I think this thing should come back to 93 ESTC because there's really nothing there. But here, where the gap down, a lot of people being trapped. So come here may get pushed down a little, but eventually I'm seeing at least to 93. Just like PDD, like, hold it. If you believe in that ticker, you can hold through it. If you don't believe it, then it's hard to hold. Our tickers, I mean, I have been giving a lot of junk tickers recently, like NNE is not something I usually would recommend a lot, but because right now it's like 群魔乱舞时代, everything's going. So Amazon Daily, I gave Amazon levels in the long-term portfolio channel. I loaded from here, but if you didn't load anything there and you have no position, you could add it from 184. The weekly target is 211. Hey guys, I have talk about Amazon every day. Take notes, please. Take notes, okay? Take notes. It's wasting time. We're talking about the whole every ticket is every time, right? So Labu is really just renting. There's really but IBB has the money flowing in. I mean, if you talk about curve trend, there is a perfect curve, right? So it's really just ranging here. So here is the bottom. Naturally, you buy. That's why I bought today. I bought some shares today, and I'm willing to hold to 145. That's 20%. Not bad, right? CLH is really. I mean, okay, this ticker forward PE is pretty high. Let me see what is forward PE now. My shoulder hurts, like it really bothers me. Sometimes I just really don't want to sit here. Okay, CLH forward PE is still 31 after all this drop. But I have shares too. I'm holding it. I'm not gonna let it go. I don't really have many positions left, so I'm gonna keep this. Let's look at monthly candle. The forward PE is too high, but it's come back down to monthly demand zone. If you cut loss, here the support, right? You bought here as soon as drop below 48, you can't lose. Why? Because there's no support on the bottom, it's all the way here. But if you did not cut loss, it's not the time to cut loss. Just hold it. Like pretend it's not there. And then if bounce some, really, there's no reason for it's not coming back to 49. It's not like it's or this company had no debts, EPS here. There's no debts. Yeah, downside time. And then look at year-over-year EPS. Gross margin pretty high. ROA is good. ROE is also good. And fundamentally, there's nothing wrong about this company. It just forward PE a little bit too high. So with recutting, I think it will go. So I'm holding this one. And worst case scenario, just sell like 48 at least, right? So, okay, that's all I have. And long-term portfolio, I give all the big mega tickers, NVIDIA, Amazon, Microsoft, Apple, where you can enter if you don't have position. So for me, my personal account, I'm just gonna do, okay, here is my plan, my personal account. So when ES come back down, and if it really come back down to 4660 area, this area, I'm gonna load March SPX call 200,000 worth of, and that's it. And I'm just gonna shut down computer. I don't even watch it. And so that's my plan. Or NDX. So I don't want to do individuals much anymore. It really delays cycle of investment with all this. And so Chinese, the report saying they are doing QE. I mean, you guys, I don't know, I just read reports on internet. Do you guys have family member? We need confirmation. It's not fake news. If it's fake news, this thing is gonna fade fast. But if it's real, then okay. Then it's real. This thing will have more juice to run. So the Chinese seeker, I took profit on PDD. I still have NTES. I think that's the only Chinese seeker I have left. And you know, I want to check a few others to see whether we can do call. So if BABA come back down to 90, we can do call. PPD. The thing is, with Chinese ticker, always a little bit cautious, kind of scary. PDD still showing this. JD. JD, if come back down to 34 area would be good. What about Neil? I don't like Neil, too cheap. Who else? YINN, YINN weekly, daily is our target. TCOM daily target almost hit. There's really not much we can to do. Baidu, I like Baidu a lot. See, I have said this many times, right? Baidu, it's like Google, Chinese Google. So every time dropping below 100, it should put on notice. So anyway, if it come back down to 94, 95, ideally come back to 90, then we can go long again. Yeah, daily. Daily is 1, 3. Daily also 3. So maybe come back down to 92, and then we can load it. This thing could go to 116. That would be ideal. colon cancer, no wonder. Okay, all right, guys, that's all I have, and I'll see you tomorrow morning. We start Discord early. Tomorrow I have a lot of reports. The core PCE. There's nothing more important than this one, I guess. But I think labor market, I don't know the labor market. I don't trust any of the reports, to be honest. Personal income, personal spending. So PCE, not 7:30 a.m. Central Time. Okay. All right, guys. See you. Bye.